Hello everyone, this is Roslyn, and in this video, I am going to discuss how you will go about your Toggl track so that you can track your time while you are doing your tasks. So we have a lot of different tracking applications online, but for this, we will be using Toggl Track. So first, we need to go to toggl.com, toggl.com, and this is the interface for Toggl.com. Now, let's go on sign up for free. Click on I agree to the term of service and privacy policy and then sign up with Google. I already have an account for Toggl Track, so I just chose the email address that I signed up for. And then this is the interface for Toggl Track so that you can start tracking your time while you're doing your task. Look here at the top, we have what are you working on. So we'll just put a title there. For example, I am working on task number 1, basic online tools. And then I can create a project for this so that there's a label for it. Here, digital jobs PH graphics design project. So I'll just put that there. You can create another tag here if you want, and then you can just click on start time entry. Once you do this, the time will already start to track. So you can work on your basic online tool task, okay? And just don't forget to click on the stop button once you're done working on task number 1, because if you forget, then it will just track your time. Okay, so let's say after a few seconds, we'll wait for this to become a minute. Okay, after a minute, you actually needed to work on another task. So what will you do? Okay, we'll just wait for a little bit for this to be a minute. Okay, this is important, guys, that you track your time when you are working on tasks, because we need this for your weekly reports task. Okay, so it's already a minute. I'll click on stop, and as you can see here, it goes down here to today. So this is the task that you did for digital jobs PH graphics design project, and then this is the time that uh, you've done your task from 9:48 a.m. to 9:49 a.m. and you've used up a minute and 10 seconds for your task 1, basic online tools. Let's say you're going to create another task. So you just go back to what you are working on the at the top of your Toggl Track dashboard. Let's say I'm going to do task number 15, and let's say it's Canva presentation. Okay, I'm just making this title. Okay, Canva presentation. And then you can go on and tag it as well, because it's still in digital jobs PH graphics design project, and click on play so that it will start to time it. Okay, we'll wait for a bit here so that you can see the difference. You can click on create a tag. Let's say if I have another client 1, and then create tag. Okay, or client 2. there. So in the future, you can use the tags. Let's say this is for actually client one. There. You can also create a new project. Create a new project. So let's say this is for just my client in, let's say, Australia. I can change the color. So I'll put that orange so that I can easily identify and then create project. So this is the task that I'm doing, Canva presentation for my client in Australia. And I'll click on stop again because I need to go back to basic online tools. All right. So just click on stop and automatically it goes down here. See? Now, what will I do because I need to work on basic online tools again? All you need to do is just click on it and then press the play button here, and then it will continue. Okay? It will create a new uh, tracking of time. Let's wait for it until it's 15. Okay? And I'll stop. So, where did it go? Okay? So, as you can see here, there is a number two that popped up after the task one basic online tools. The first one, the second one, and for the task 15, it doesn't have anything yet because I just worked on it one time. Okay, if I worked on something I additionally work on it, then there will be a number here. So I worked on task one basic online tools two times. Click on that and you will see here how many times I worked on it and what are the time for it. So I worked on it first time 16 seconds and another one, or actually first time 1 minute and 10 seconds and another the 16 seconds. So it automatically adds up. So if you unclick this again, you've already worked on task number one basic online tools for a total of 1 minute and 26 seconds. So that's how you track your time. Okay, it is best that you always do the tracking. You can also do that, let's say if we're having a class, you can start your toggle track. You can just put there a class, say graphics class day one, like that. And then you can create a new project for that. Create a new project, and I'll put here blue, class base project. Okay, and then start it. So every time that we're going to have a class, you can track the time. Okay, you can stop it if you're going to um, do your task, and then once you're done with your task, you can play again if we're still on in the class. Okay, now as you can see here on your left, there is a dashboard here, and we have here the reports panel. Okay, so I'll just click on this to stop. I'll go ahead and go to reports, and you can see the summary of the time that you have used, or the time that Toggl tracked your usage or your task uh, hours. Okay, so as you can see here, because we have a lot of different colors for the tagging for the projects, here you see for clocked hours we have 3 minutes 41 seconds. 15% for that is during class. 46% is for your client in Australia, and 39% is for your digital jobs PH graphics design project. Okay, so you can see a lot here because we just used up seconds for those tasks. But if you used up, let's say, hours, you will definitely get to see a graph here as well because this is measured using hours. Okay. Now this week, because this you're going to use this for your weekly report, click on this week, and then once you see this download button, the arrow down, just click on it and then download PDF, and it's here. So this is your Toggl track summary. You need to attach this to your weekly report. Okay, you just need to go to your classroom and go to classwork. And once you're there, you will find which particular week you're working on. Let's say we are working on weekly report number 1. This one, go to classwork and then look for weekly report. Okay, let's say we're working on weekly report 1. You just need to turn in uh, your slide, the answers for this particular um, reporting that you need, and then you need to add the report for Toggl track. Okay, so the instructions here is screenshot of your Trello board showing progress of your tasks under to do, doing, and done list. So you also need to do your Trello boards. And screenshot of your Toggl dashboard showing hours spent working on each task. Or you actually may use any other free time tracker tool that you are comfortable with. But for this one, we'll just be using the Toggl track. Okay? So that's it. Bye.